Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video. I am going to be showing you all on how to remove and reinstall a rear wiper on a 2025 Kia Seltos. So let's get started. Alright everybody, so right now I'm in the back of my wife's 2025 Kia Seltos, okay? And so here is the rear wiper. Now in order to remove this rear wiper, all you have to basically do, okay, is lift the rear wiper up like that. Okay, now you put the back of your fingers right here, and you put your hand on this like I got here, and push out like that. All right, and all you do is remove it. All right, so now there is a U shape right here, right where my finger is, right there, and there is a hope you can see that there is a plastic bar goes from this side to this side. Okay, and that plastic bar fits right inside of this U shape. So now in order to reinstall the rear wiper, okay, match bar to this, just like that, okay, and all you want to do, okay, is basically push this way, push it this way a little bit. All right, take your hand right here, pop it in, let it down, and there you go. All right everybody, so now you all know how to remove and reinstall a rear wiper on a 2025 Kia Seltos. So if this video helps, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.